Hello there again. This is Whit Drake, owner of Drake Law Firm in Birmingham. We handle personal injury and wrongful death cases across the state of Alabama and also in other states like Georgia, Mississippi, Tennessee, and so forth. We get a lot of emails from viewers of either our viewers of our channel on YouTube or people that go to our website. And we hope to have a lot of resources through these videos and on the website to answer people's questions. And I've got a question here from a viewer. He basically says, I was injured on an on-the-job accident. Workers' comp paid for some of my bills. I was hurt on a ladder that was made by a separate company. Who can I sue? And more specifically, he says, what is the statute of limitations in Alabama for these claims? Well, the general statute of limitations for personal injury claims in the state of Alabama is 2 years from the date of the injury. So if I'm rear-ended by somebody today and I have whiplash or I'm hurt, I have 2 years to file a lawsuit in one of the circuit courts in the state of Alabama for those injuries. Now, the viewer here, he was also injured on the job. And his statute of limitations for his on-the-job claim against his employer for workers' comp benefits, it's also 2 years. But it's not 2 years from the date of the accident, okay? It's 2 years from his last payment from workers' comp. And so if he's off the job for 3 or 4 months and workers' comp's paying him a little bit, and I'm not talking about his medical treatment, I'm talking about what they pay you. It's called indemnity. They basically pay you 2/3 of your average weekly wage while you're unable to work. So the statute of limitations for this gentleman, as far as workers' comp claim, is 2 years from the date of his last indemnity payment, that amount of money they pay you in lieu of your salary while you're off work. So there are some exceptions, but wrongful death, 2-year statute of limitations, any kind of a product liability claim, a car accident, slip and fall, whatever, is 2 years from the date of the accident. Now there are some exceptions for minors, for children, and there are some exceptions for people who have been brain damaged and are incompetent. Sometimes in those situations the state of Alabama gives you a little bit longer to sue. But generally speaking, as a rule of thumb, you have 2 years from the date of the accident to file a lawsuit or to make a claim. Otherwise, if you don't make a claim in that 2 years, it's barred forever. So you really need to be on top of that. If you've been injured, seek legal counsel immediately.